Mabuhay. Today we're going to do some cooking, and my instructor is going to be Joji. Say hello. What are we doing? Bakareta.
Gonna be using beef, not goat.
So we're using beef. That's why it's called BAKA. So these are beef here. We got about a half a kilo. This is good for 3 people, I think. Put some carrots, potato, pepper, onions. So for the meat, I call this BAKA. What about for potato? What do I call potato? In Philippines? Patatas. And the carrot?
Carrots. We just call it carrots.
What about pepper?
Paminta.
And then the onion?
Sibuyas.
So what do we need to do next? This is traditional dish in Philippine.
Filipino dish. I thought you're the one who was going to learn how to cook.
I'm learning by watching you. Tell us about yourself, Joji.
I'm Joji. I was born and raised in Bacolod, but we've been living in the Filipino for quite a long time. And then also I have been to Saudi Arabia to work as a domestic worker.
And you came back here?
So I came back to Philippines last 2015, and then I applied in Singapore. Then I went to Singapore February 2016, and then I worked there for almost 5 years. So I went back home when I met my husband, Kevin. And then after that, just maybe like a few months, I applied in call center.
Joji's a compulsive cleaner. She cannot sit still until everything's cleaned twice. So we just put our vegetables in.
We still need to boil because it's still very hot.
Probably another, 15-20 minutes?
Yeah.
Just added the peppers. Maybe a few more minutes.
We have our Bakareta jam.
Thank you guys for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button at the bottom there, and we'll chat to you next time. Salamat.